Are you running out of storage on your iPhone? Restart to clear cache. First, the simplest trick, just restart your iPhone. Go to the Settings app on your device. Then, scroll down and click on General. Here, click on iPhone Storage option. Scroll down and note the size of system data. Then, restart your iPhone. After about 5 to 6 minutes, check again. You'll see that number drop. Clear Safari cache. Safari stores tons of cached files from the websites you visit. To clear them, go to the Settings app on your device. Then, scroll all the way down and click on Apps. Again, scroll down and look for the option Safari and tap on it. Here, look for the option Clear History and Website Data, tap on it. Clear the history. If you want deeper control, scroll down and click on the Advanced option. At the bottom, click on Website Data. Here you'll see every site and how much space it takes. You can delete specific ones or remove all data at once. Clear cache in other browsers. If you use other browsers like Chrome, they also store cached files. Open the Chrome app on your device. At the bottom, click on 3 dots. Here, click on History. Bottom tap on Delete Browsing Data. Select Cached Images and Files. Choose a time range and tap Clear Data. This removes cached files while keeping your browsing history if you prefer. Clear cache in social apps. Many apps like Snapchat, Spotify store cached data for faster loading, but this can reach gigabytes over time. For Snapchat, go to the Settings. Here, scroll to the Privacy and Control section. Click on Clear Data. At the bottom, tap on Clear Cache. For Spotify, go to the Settings. Then, click on Data Saving and Offline option. Here, scroll down and tap on Clear Cache. This removes temporary cached songs, not your downloads. Use Offload unused apps. For this, open the Settings app on your device. Scroll all the way down and click on Apps. Here, click on App Store. Then, scroll to the Offload unused apps and toggle on the switch. This feature automatically removes apps you don't use often but keeps your data safe. Delete and reinstall heavy apps. If an app like Facebook or Instagram is using several gigabytes, deleting and reinstalling it is the best fix. You'll find these sizes under Settings. Scroll down and click on General. Here, click on iPhone Storage. Delete the app. Reinstall it. And open again. You'll notice a big reduction in total size. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more iPhone tips.